These iThird battery-powered wall sconces are genuinely easy to mount since they need no wiring and simply screw into the wall, making them ideal for renters or anyone avoiding electrical work. The large-capacity rechargeable battery delivers many hours of continuous light between charges, so they work well for everyday accent lighting rather than just occasional use. I especially appreciate the removable battery pack, which lets you take only the power module to a charger instead of pulling the entire fixture off the wall and risking damage. With multiple color temperature options and fully adjustable brightness controlled by the remote, it is simple to shift these lights from warm, cozy glow to crisp task lighting as needed. The built-in timer and memory features are very practical, automatically shutting the lights off after a set period and restoring your last settings so you are not constantly reprogramming them. Their long bar design with fully adjustable light direction gives wide, even coverage and a sleek modern look that suits spaces like television walls, mirrors, bedrooms, and hallways.